Yeah, I got a massive package here. Yeah, I mean, this box that I ordered. I actually have a few things I want to show you. I want to do a little review because I've actually used these before, and I wanted to show you. I just ordered 2 of the new chairs, and they're absolutely going to be amazing. I basically bought my first chairs. They are expensive. Don't get me wrong, they are expensive. But there is a discount code, like link in the video description, that can help you save a little bit of money. So I ordered 2 of these. If I can pull them out of here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to dump them out. They're definitely heavier than the other chairs. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. But check it out. So I ordered 2 of these CLIQ chairs. They're the lounging chairs. So I've ordered 2 of them. But I want to first show you, I also originally ordered 2 of these smaller ones a long time ago, like many years ago when they first came out. And these things are absolutely amazing. I've had these, like I said, since they first came out a few years ago. They've gotten tons of use, and they still work perfectly fine. They're so easy, so light. You can buy like in different sets, in different bags, so you can get like 2, 4, I think 6 and 8, depending on how much camping you do. My brother also has these for his boat, so it's like easily storable, doesn't take up a lot of space. It literally takes only a few minutes to set this up, and as you can see, you have the legs right here. See if I can back this up a little bit. You got the legs right here. This will lock into place. And then you have 2 sides go really long, and then the other sides are kind of short. And there you go. You have your chair that you can actually sit in. But the thing is there's no like lounge. Like you have room, you can lean back a little bit, but you don't have like a head, like it's not as comfortable. So that's why I wanted to get these new ones. So I'm gonna scoot this back a little bit. And let's see how these are. Let me open these up for you. I don't know if these come individually bagged or how they come. Yep, so they are individually bagged. I was hoping they would come in like 2 bag, 3 bag, whatever, but apparently you can only get it in 1 chair at a time. And it comes with actual instructions on how to fold it out. How to fold it out and put it away. So I usually ignore those and just kind of try to figure it out on my own because they shouldn't be that difficult. But it looks like it has like a zipper bag on the side, so you can put like a little bit of stuff in there, like your money, wallet, whatever. But you can also, so I guess you open that up to give it, okay, so you open that up and it kind of like folds over, so it unrolls, and then you have the actual bag itself. What's really cool, oh wow, okay, so it actually has, in case you lose the paper, again, it has the instructions for you on how to do it right there. So I mean, maybe I should use those, I don't know. It's pretty much usually fairly understandable. So you have the cup holder that was over the top part of it, and then the same as the old ones, you have a wrap that goes around to hold it in place. Then it literally folds down and you hear it click into place. But let's figure this out. So you have that, then you have, oh wow, okay, so one, so that doesn't come out, this one comes out. Does it come out more? Nope. And then, is this it? Why is it not staying up? So it's kind of like, kind of weird because it doesn't want to, like, it doesn't want to click into place on the bottom side. And I'm not sure why that is, because normally this just clicks into place and it's not wanting to stay. And that's never a good sign. So then this comes together, but why is that not? Okay, maybe I have to not stretch these out first. There we go. So you have to like really jerk those into place. And then alright. So let me move this small chair out of the way. And you have this big chair. And then it has what looks like on the back side, you have this, but then you also have these cinches right here, and those are to, how is that for? It doesn't say what those are for. Fully uncinch headrest before collapsing arms. Oh, so you can cinch these tighter. I guess you're supposed to cinch these tighter to stiffen this part up. And then you just have to make sure that you uncinch those when you're done. So check this out. So now you can sit in this. Oh yeah, and then you have the cup holder that goes right on either side. There's like a little hinge right here, and this just hooks right in. So you can put your beverage here, lounge back. This thing's freaking awesome. So I have two of these now. Check it out. And then I don't know if you can easily see the size comparison between the two, but you have this smaller one, and then you have this big one. And you can see this one sits a lot taller than this, but yeah, check it out. So now I can go use these if I go camping, or what I usually do is they don't take up a lot of space, so I use it when I go to car shows. I leave one in the back of my car, and then it just folds out, and you just, you know, sit it behind the car and just sit back. And now I'm gonna have much more cozy ones to sit back and actually be able to fall asleep in at some of these car shows if you're there all day or whatever. But that's it. What do you think? They're really strong, sturdy. Like I said, I've had these for like several years now. They've been all over the place. Been in my car, tossed around, banged around. Been on my brother's boat, been camping, been to the beach. Like, it's just pretty much sturdy all around, and I absolutely love it. But what do you think? Get that discount link in the video description, and hit that like and subscribe while you're here. And check out my other YouTube videos. I have a couple hundred. And thanks for watching, and take care. Bye.